Good morning, everybody. I am April, and I am the Wolfe Ranch girl. Hey everybody, and happy Saturday. This is Sophie. And we are getting ready to go out onto the ranch and meet up with my husband and work on our garden. So we're gonna try and do this vlog style. So let's get going. Gypsy. It is a beautiful day today, and there's my husband. He has been out to the barn and is getting some supplemental nutrients from our cows to add into the garden soil. So let's go check out and see what's going on here. Okay, so we are out behind our shed. Excuse the mess, we're tearing up the garden and preparing it for next year. And we have about a 20 by 20 area that we used to garden last year, set right next to our small pasture and close to the house. So it's a nice sunny area. But we didn't have really great luck with our garden this year. Excuse me, I'm winded. I'm not really sure why, because this is the first year I've actually done a big garden, and we just really feel like it was because the nutrients in our soil is poor. So we are going to be prepping the garden and adding different types of nutrients to the soil in hopes that it will be better next year. Okay, hello there, and welcome to the first Wolfe Ranch Life vlog. And today we're going to be working in the garden, and it looks like the dogs are going to be helping. So we are working in the garden today because this year was the first year that we planted in this area, and the garden didn't do as well as we had hoped or as we had expected. And I'm gonna have to let my husband explain deeper into why, but pretty much we don't think that there was enough nutrients in the ground. So the previous owners had said that they had a really hard time getting anything to grow in this area, and it used to just all be pasture, like right up to the house. So in the past 4 years that we have lived here, we have cleared several feet of the pasture and turned it into usable space in our yard. And then this year, along with my parents, we decided to do a fairly large garden. But again, it didn't do as well as we had hoped. It started to produce fruit very late. Items were small, they tasted good, they were of good quality, but they were very small, and it just took a long time for any of the plants to produce fruit or to grow. And then a lot of the crop we lost because there were low spots in the garden, and early on we got a lot of rain that wasn't able to drain off. So we have, I say we loosely, meaning that I know what's going on, but mostly my husband has been doing most of the work, and you'll get to meet him in a minute. But we have been adding soil, quite a bit of soil, to the already tilled ground, and then we added some lime compost in the form of hay bales that we used at our wedding that had just been sitting and pretty much decomposing for the last 2 years, and then leaves, and now we're adding some manure from the help of our cows that we share this ground with. So that is what we're going to be doing today, just kind of adding nutrients into the soil. So I have my boots on, and the most important thing for me is gloves. I pretty much can't do anything without gloves on. I don't like putting my hands in things, I don't like putting my hands under things, but I can pretty much do anything if I have a pair of gloves. And it is a lovely, lovely Saturday, a great day to be doing this project. Okay, well, it's about half an hour later, and I've gotten all of the easily spreadable manure slash fertilizer spread on about half of the garden, and then it looks like we're going to need about 2 more tractor loads to be able to do the rest of the garden. Whew, this is hard work. Very, very hard work, and I'll tell you what, I never thought that I would be spreading manure by hand for a garden, for sure. So ranch life has definitely changed me and the things that I thought I was capable of doing. But it's really awesome to be able to provide good and nutritious food for my family, and know what went into it and where it came from. And that's just a really big goal of ours, is to be able to have some sort of sustainability and be able to feed our family from our land, and then just have to supplement with things from the grocery store. So that is what our goal is in all of this messy effort. And next year, when we are having an overabundance and able to share with our extended family and friends, it's going to be well worth the hard work. We're about, I don't know, 2 hours in. How long? How long do you think we're in?
2 hours.
We're about 2 hours in, and there's my husband. How big is the garden? 20 by 20 is what I said?
30 by 40.
Oh, I was very wrong. 30 by 40. So, you can see that we got quite a bit of stuff spread out here. We're going to have to wait to do anything over there and that far side, closer to the wall and the little steel dog, because that was pretty old and it's difficult to move about.
It's really dry.
It's very dry. So what are we hoping to accomplish with all of this? And is there anything left for us to do here?
We need to rake it out some more, you know.
Till it up?
Just till it, yeah, rake it out some more, till it out, even it out. Fill in that low spot over there.
There's
a little low spot there.
It's hard to see, but on the other side where the grass meets the garden, it's pretty low, so the garden is kind of going up and then down like a hill, so we got to even that out so that part of those plants that drowned this past year don't drown.
We raised it up probably 3 inches though anyway.
Right.
Just with dirt, so.
So that is what is going on, and I think that that's all that we can do today. So I'll keep you updated. Say, see you laters. Laters.